Hi, I'm Miles Pinter, and I'd like to tell you about the 5 key stakeholders that I decided on for Timberland in this assignment. The first would have to be the employees, and they are the most important stakeholders that Timberland has. We want to first make sure that they agree with the initiatives that we are taking to increase our CSR program, and we want to make sure that they are willing and able to get involved in the program and make sure that it really bolsters and becomes what we want it to be. I believe that we can do this by holding a mandatory meeting to begin and then do some little workshops in between to get employees involved, really tell them what it's about, things like that. So I believe that is how we can respond to that. I believe our next most important stakeholder would have to be our internal departments, and we want to stay in contact with them because they're the people that are going to budget it, that are really going to help make sure our CSR program increases in the fashion that we'd like it to. So we want to make sure that this program is going to benefit everyone in the company, both internally and externally, and we want to make sure the departments see it as a good use of resources that we go ahead and progress with this project. So I think we can respond to that by holding weekly meetings to discuss the goals and progress of where we are on our project and initiatives, and I think that will help keep everyone in line. Our next key stakeholder would be the community, and I believe we can reach out to them within about 2 to 4 days. We just want to make sure that this project is going to have a negative, make sure it has a positive or negative impact, and if it has a negative, what we can do to make it better. And we also want to see who it reaches and who it doesn't reach, and try and reach as many people as we can. I believe we can respond to this by attending different town hall meetings or town council meetings to answer and address any questions that the community may have. Then I think we should meet with larger organizations and see what they have to say about our CSR initiatives and where we're going with this project, and just discuss with them, get their feedback, and see where they are on this project. And then next, I think another key stakeholder would have to be our local governments. We want to make sure with them that we get in contact with them within the first week, make sure that our program meets state, federal, national regulations. We just want to make sure that we're not stepping on any boundaries that could potentially harm us in the future. We want to hold monthly meetings with local officials to make sure everything's going well. We want to just stay involved in the community as much as we can in those governments to make sure that we're doing everything we need to. And then for the international market, because Timberland is an international company, we want to make sure that we have accessible video conferencing with them, make sure that we're meeting their regulations as well as our own here in the United States. And lastly, I think that our investors are another key stakeholder. They take a big piece in our company. I mean, they help our company out quite a bit. We want to make sure that our CSR initiatives don't impact our financials negatively that would hurt them. We want to make sure that they're on board with what we're doing so that it can positively impact stock prices and financials the company deals with. And I think that we can respond to this by describing where we're going with this project to investors. I think investors will really like where we're going with this project, and hopefully that'll have a positive impact on our stock price. We'll get more people involved in our stock and trading, and just it'll help further our company with this project. So those are the 5 key stakeholders I chose for Timberland, and I hope you enjoyed this.